Didn't give him perfect teeth? Technology will.
Viens, viens.
One day your coworker shows up barefoot.
Round means guaranteeing their safety 24/7, even with those 9 lives. Be jealous, and their reactions can be quite intense. Looks like your dog made a new friend and brought him home. Kids only remember lessons well when they're taught like this.
You ate it? Wow, a bush! Wow, a pine cone! I love pine.
He's new. Oh, okay.
I guess they prefer Pepsi.
He went to grab the package. Still hasn't come back.
For help.
When you're adopted and mentored by the cat.
What's he searching for? Lost treasures? Or maybe just last week's snack?
Others walk their geese.
Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam?
The importance of choosing the time and place where.
Go lay down. Go lay down. Bye.
Tangled in the net? Exactly, him.
Even on the streets, they care for each other with all the tenderness in the world.
Not afraid of strong.
How are you? Nothing. I'm just sitting here with a key.
One time, and now he's obsessed with it. That's what he's looking at.
His first time trying.
வீட்ல நாங்க அடைச்சு வச்சிட்டோம். அது எங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க.
Huracán Chile, América y el mundo.
Out of her throat, and we're not even done.
I tried not to.
Mila! Mila! Quit! Come here. I'm gonna crack this egg.
Nonsense! What did you do?
Keeping your balance, but in some cases, it completely betrays you, huh?
Dog says he loves chocolate, so here's his chocolate. Bugs. They launch a full cuddle invasion.
What do you want? Do you want more steak? Cooked for you.
Unless you want to provoke these guys and their massive egos.
Gunner, come. Gunner. Gunner, come.
How to stay busy. Doesn't matter if you're a dog.
And there's
a rainbow. You don't jump on my couch.
Audrey. Audrey.
I don't want you to hurt me. Please do not.
C'est des petits crapauds, ils peinent. Allez, on rentre. Bah t'es propre, toi. J'aime bien.
He needs a running start, and it's absolutely adorable.
It's been a minute, but He back at it.
That bad dog.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Rate him.
Also, it lowers your heart.
Brain freeze moment. Is this a dog or a tiny...
Kuştepe'ye bırakacağım sizi Kuştepe.
Check it out.
Hey hey hey.
A tearful moment of separation.
Hindi na ako nagkikis.
Yes,
If you're hungry, I brought home some mutton and coconut milk.
Hoppa, wat? Nu komt ze.
Let me tell you something.
Leo! Leo! Leo!
Mount Dog Everest, one face at a time.
Yay.
You want to get out of here?
Oh, I wasn't recording. I was holding it.
She taken?
Everybody sit.
Scientists are still baffled by this phenomenon. Water temperature. Just dive.
Look at those.
What are you doing?
Can't even.
Ow!
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me
Bleed until I can't breathe.
Rounded booty right there. The whole body line is actually.
Isn't protecting the floor. He's protecting every single crumb.
Can I clean? See?
Yeah, I'm saying I want to play.
While the game is billiards, this kitty learns the rules of the ball catching game.
Get my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
You're insane.
Roba media y no sé si fuiste el que dañó la cama. Y tú también.
Justin! Oh my god.
Realised the famous Elizabeth I. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's unsettled.
What's wrong with you people? I am a.
Oh, why it's so cozy here? Can I join?
Not helping. This is a legally binding teamwork request. Knowing he's been caught, the poodle froze. Statue defense mode activated.
You want your ball?
To you. Oh my god.
Os tutores ainda não têm filhos, mas já tem alguém para praticar o embalo.
The dog couldn't jump, so it poked him calmly, like someone arguing safely from another country.
Two seconds from runner to swimmer.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Mia. Mia.
No way, Jose.
Activated.
Bro.
The invisible trap card in the living room.
It's coming from there.
Gently.
Kittens hear one legendary story and immediately challenge the final boss. Monkey guessing game or a human guessing game, but it's chaos.
Do you know you just discovered a pastime that's loved all around the world?
Talvez ele não seja o dono do restaurante, mas ninguém ousou tirá-lo dali. Por um momento, ele virou o chefe.
What are you looking at? I'm sleeping like this because I feel safe.
Now, we've got a live, fluffy, wiggly alarm system.
Okay.
Parents love, he must never give an inch.
Brother indeed. Up to, looking so serious. They must be plotting something.
What are you two doing?
It was an accident.
Aua. Aua.
Come on, get here. Get here. Come on.
Oh my god.
Come here. Toby, come here.
Exactly as clean as your reputation suggests.
We just sat on the ground and pee now.
Come on. Good girl. Good.
Friendship may be fragile, but
It's a great competitive play.
What did you do? Oh, you did this to yourself.
Me. He is literally secure.
Loons. Oh no, did you fall over? Can you get up?
friendship that overcomes all obstacles. This cat is truly a dedicated navigator.
Out.
Nice.
The golden duo meet for the
Oh, you.
Away, they still know how to train and show off their flexible neck.
I thought dinosaurs were extinct.
He really hates the vet. I'm sorry, but you got allergies.
This machine is malfunctioning. Replace immediately.
Girls get
hard all day.
That us.
Oh my god, I can't even. Oh baby.
Ben şimdi
Hola. Посмотрите.
Literally.
Demonstrate the most important command that every police dog needs to know.
What? They said this trick helps lose weight without exercise.
Sophie boy, what do you want?
No.